Hey guys, I'm Dr. Angelica and I'm so glad to be here with you on the 60-day challenge, day 29. Today's topic is use neuro-linguistic programming, also known as NLP, to achieve success. I am fascinated about the brain. In my doctorate's program and in my research, I've really investigated how the brain functions and how we can be more successful. And I also know that John Grindler and Richard Bandler, they're the ones that founded NLP, and they modeled all those successful people that were using NLP and that were very effective in creating change in their lives. So NLP provides and helps you take control over your life. You must be able to combine NLP strategies with meaningful action. Like if you're really just trying to use and discover NLP and find out your inner wisdom and inner things, and you're not taking action, it's not really going to help you. But you're going to have to really take action when you begin to create and work with NLP. Now, when I work with clients, I help them formulate what we call well-formed outcomes. The difference between a traditional outcome and an NLP well-formed outcome is that you involve the thinking process, you incorporate all the senses, you identify resources, and you determine any consequences that you desire, consequences that will probably get in the way of what you desire. And I'm going to give you an example of something that happens. When you begin to create those well-formed outcomes, something important happens here. You're going to have to identify something that you're going to give up, and something that you need to incorporate into that action that you probably haven't done so far. But the hardest part is really letting go. That's the hardest part, because sometimes we have to let go of people. Sometimes we have to give up maybe a location. Sometimes we might have to give up a thing or an item. And that's when the emotions get involved, and it's really hard to let go. But when you really desire something and you begin to create clarity and you know exactly where you're headed, and you find out what you have to let go, then you find a strategy on how you can make that happen, because that is the hardest part of achieving something. When you have to let go of something, it could be a habit that you're so used to doing on a daily basis without even awareness, because it just happens, it's just there. But then you need to create that awareness in your life so that you really know what has to go. And I'm going to give you an example. If I'm trying to apply for a position, and I'm searching only here within the Dallas area, or the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, well, my opportunities are going to be very limited. But if I begin to apply out of state and I go beyond just within the whole US, my opportunities grow and they expand. But then as I'm designing my well-formed outcome, I'm going to realize my limitations are this small, or do I want them to expand? And what am I willing and capable of doing? Am I willing to move and leave, change locations? So you begin to have this awareness, and when you have that awareness, you could make transformational change faster. Or you could change your goal because it might not work for you. Maybe you're not willing to go out of state, So I'm just giving you an example here, but let's go ahead and sit down and focus on how NLP can change your life today. Go ahead and share, like, comment below so that we can have a more engaging conversation. Ask me questions, inbox me. I'm more than glad to have conversations with you. Now, if you want a well-formed outcome, I just need to say this: it doesn't guarantee success, but it does offer greater chance of success because you will determine what actions need to take place. Like I said, what you need to focus more on, what you need to let go, and there might be some skills that you need to add to your credential and to your knowledge level. So the other question that I have here is, are you ready to put your dreams to the test? You know, you might have dreams and you really need to determine if these dreams are yours, if this is your goal, or if not, then it's time to really, really go within, find out what you're really passionate about, and or put your dream to the test, and let's figure out how it could really blossom and you could really turn your dream to reality. So go ahead. I only have 10 seats available. If you're interested, inbox me. I'm going to create an event page very soon. But thank you for being here today, and go ahead and share, like, and comment below. And you have an amazing day today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.